The topic today, and today's topic is we are deep diving into the details of blockchain and supply management, right? So, how does that enhances the transparency and traceability? Welcome back to the YouTube series on blockchain. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating intersection of blockchain and supply management, and let's see how blockchain enhances transparency and traceability. So as usual, let me share the screen first. Share the screen. And this, yes. Yeah, you can see this. Yeah, thank you. So going ahead, let's see how things. Yeah. So supply chain management is a blockchain of the global trade, right? And commerce, whether it is e-commerce, so and any kind of job, any kind of business, it needs the supply chain management. It involves coordination of complex networks and suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. Right, it's so complex. Blockchain technology plays a crucial role in revolutionizing this process. With blockchain, we can create a decentralized, tamper-proof ledger that records every transaction and movement of the goods in the supply chain. This transparency provides the stakeholder with the real-time visibility, right? So let's see, and then I'll just go to this. So what happens, like you can see here, right? So we have research and development, manufacturing, warehouse, and then transportation, warehouse out, then retailer, then customers. There are so many things and so many chains getting added, right? So all these things can be covered in the blockchain. Using the blockchain, we can make sure to make it more secure. So one of the significant advantage of blockchain is supply chain is ability to enable traceability, because traceability is the most important thing here. Through blockchain, immutable record keeping can track a product's journey from origin to the end customer. Each step of the supply chain is recorded in the blockchain, as we are seeing in this entire supply chain. It creates an unbroken chain of custody, and this not only helps in identifying the source of issue, but also any delays are there, any customer assurance, any authenticity, everything can be done for the product they purchase. And then benefits of this is reduce the fraud and counterfeiting, and it's in front of counterfeiting in supply not be underestimated. With the transparency, tamper-proof nature of blockchain, it becomes exceedingly difficult for the bad factors or bad actors to manipulate the supply chain. Counterfeiting the product can be a significant problem, which leads to the revenue loss and potential harm. By leveraging blockchain, one can implement the anti-counterfeiting measures that ensure that only genuine product is. Counterfeiting means what happens? People sometimes they change the product, right? We have seen that some people will take out the good material out of that and then put something dump material. So all those things can be covered here, or those things can be what do you say? Avoid it. And improving the quality is another thing that and blockchain can greatly enhance this process by immutable record of every step in the supply chain, and companies can identify and rectify the issues whenever the material goes to the market and some issues there, they can go and backtrack, right? Moreover, blockchain real-time capabilities enable swift responses to any quality concern, and it prevents the defective products, right, from reaching the customers. Then, real life examples of supply chain management. Let's look at some of the. Next is food. Let's look at the food supply chain, right? Food supply. So these are some of the real world examples of supply chain. One of the important thing is food, because food is very important, and it should not be tampered, right? Something like the origin of the fruits, vegetables, and whatever we create. This helps in source of contamination during the foodborne illnesses. Another application can be, some luxury goods where higher end brands are used in a blockchain by consumers, by giving consumers to access to the product journey, and they can verify the authenticity. So in this slide, you can see that how the farmers are creating the items, and then producers are verifying, and distributors are delivering those, retailers are selling those. At each point of time, we have the digital flow, we have the blockchain network, and consumer can backtrack anything, right? So this is what we discussed in the supply chain. So I think we are done with this today. So we can also look into the other things which can be taken care of: scalability, energy consumption, etc. And in conclusion, so we'll say that we have explored how the blockchain enhances transparency of the supply chain, from enabling product to the traceability, reducing for fraud and counterfeiting. In next episode, we will see what things are there related to blockchain. So let's see you tomorrow, and see further what we can explore in the blockchain, right? So thank you so much for joining today's session, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. And today's a Friday, so I am sure you're preparing for the weekends. Thank you so much.